Hey guys, my name is Samarth and I'm one of your head tutors alongside Kaf, and today we're going to be learning about div tags through a visual explanation. Div tags are an important aspect of HTML. They help organize your code, and more importantly, they help customize many elements inside your website. For explanation purposes, this box is going to be the body tag of your website. Inside the box, there are many elements such as H1 element, the paragraph or the P element, and image element. One of the most important aspects of HTML is the div tags. The div tags are mainly used to organize and section off code within your website. For our explanation purposes, the div tags will be represented as a plastic cover. As you can see here, this div tag contains 3 elements. These elements have attributes such as the color red or their long length. If you wanted to change these attributes, would you rather change them one by one using CSS, or would you change them all at the same time using the div tag? Let me show you how I can change all of these using the div tag. As you can see, with one change, I have changed all of these elements inside this div tag to have a smaller length. These are the basics of div tag. In the next video, you're going to learn how to use the div tags in the code and how to customize them using CSS.